question number 5. How do you solve for x squared minus 5x plus 3 equals 0 using the quadratic formula? So usually you can solve for the zeros, solutions, or roots of a quadratic function by finding its factors. And by finding the factors, you can easily identify what the zeros, roots, or solutions are. The quadratic formula is a special formula that is used in cases where your quadratic function is not easily factorable. Okay, this includes when your function does not have a perfect square, or there's no combination of factors which will easily identify your zeros. Okay, so the quadratic formula finds your values of x, or your solutions or roots that solve this quadratic equation by doing this. So it's negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, where a, b, and c are from the coefficients of a squared, ax squared plus bx plus c, which are the coefficients of your quadratic equation or quadratic function. Okay, so basically by plugging in your coefficients here and solving for both the positive and the negative, you're able to find the zeros that will solve this quadratic function. All right, so let's do it for this one. So first of all, we have to identify that this is not easily factorable. You guys can pause this video and you guys can try, but it's not easily factorable. So we're going to use the quadratic formula here. So first we're going to write it down again. And we're going to use x equals negative 5, or sorry, positive 5, plus or minus 5 squared, or negative 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3 divided by 2 times 1. Okay. Alright, so if we were to simplify our square root in there, we have 25 minus 12 divided by 2, and then we have 5 plus or minus root of 13 divided by 2. Okay, so now we have two different options here. We have x equals 5 plus root 13 divided by 2, or we have the negative, which is x equals 5 minus root 13 divided by 2. Okay, so if we were to plug this 0 and this 0 into our quadratic function here, it'll make the left-hand side equal to the right-hand side, or it'll make our quadratic function equal to 0, right? And we're not able to find these two zeros or solutions by just factoring, right? This is solely because of the quadratic formula. So the solution is correct. Good stuff.